hold your hands together just like that. I'm gonna bend this leg. So this hip on you goes like this.
Okay.
So I'm gonna push over here and we're gonna swing it around this way. And here. Perfect. Other side. So good.
Oh my God.
Good. Up this side, we're gonna go after lower back. Spine here. Here we go. Wonderful. And onto your back, facing. Okay, so right here. You can feel that too. I know it's stuck over there. Perfect.
Oh,
Great.
so good.
Now we're gonna come down here. Good. Good. All right. That was great. It was a little bit. I'm gonna do a little stretch with you.
It was very bad, but
Nah.